Namaste, I am Dhanashri and welcome to video tutorial on URL shortener. There are many URL shorteners available on web. But in this video, I am going to talk about the URL shortener which I personally like. And that URL shortener is Mocker app. I liked it because of its two advantages. First is you don't require any account to edit the link. And second is clipboard. There are many other features available in this. So let's see that one by one. As you can see, I have not logged into any account. Now to access Mocker app, just type mocker.in. I have also provided this link in the description. Let's say I want to short this long URL. Just copy the link and paste it here. And this is your shortened URL. If you want to edit it, you can edit it. Save. So my shortened URL is ready. I can copy it and I can check. And it is working finely. Now let's see some other features available in this. First is you can protect your link by giving password. For example, I am giving password as test123 and saying it save. So now whenever I want to use that link, it will ask me for a password. If I am giving some wrong password, it will not open. Now let's try with the corrected one. And you can see my link is working properly. The another feature is you can keep your link active for some duration. For example, you are conducting a quiz for students and you want to keep that quiz active for 1 week. So you can set the duration. For example, I want to keep it active from 18th to 25th. One more feature available is this one-click link. For example, if you want to give only one attempt to the student for that particular quiz, then you will say yes to this is one-click link. Also, if you want to edit the link in future, then you can make use of the generated link. Now this is token. If you feel remembering this token is difficult, then you can also make your own token. And say save. You may like some other advantage. Let's talk about another feature in this app, that is clipboard. Assume a scenario where you want to share a program with others. For that, you have to store that program on your drive and then generate a link and then share a link with them. But in this, you don't have to do all those things. Just copy paste your program, and if you want to edit the link, you can edit and say save. Same settings are applicable for clipboard also. And best part is you can see the statistic, that is how many number of times this link was used and how many unique visitors has used this link. So I have used this link twice. And you can see after using, you can see the changes. I hope you also love the features available with Mocker app. Please try it and thanks for watching.